Hi friends, let me show you this comb that I received for reviewing purposes. It is aimed for your dogs and cats, and it helps you to get loose hair from your pets or to remove tangles from your pets and eliminate shedding, okay? You get 3 different combs. This open one, like for this shedding, you have one side, I hope you see the difference, one side with 9 teeth and the other one with 17. So this is more open for more hair if your pet is bigger or has more hair. These ones are closer together so you can get finer hair here. And you have a grooming comb also here for finer hair, finer work with your pet. This comb is really easy to handle. We are going to test it with my dogs, and it will help you to get all the hair off your pets, because sometimes some pets have a lot of hair and you don't want the hair all around your home. So if you comb them every day, twice a day, whenever you think it's good, you will get the hair in the comb and in the trash and not in your furniture and your house. Now we're going to use the comb with Milo. He's a Shih Tzu, and I'm going to use the more open ones first to see if it feels okay. You can detangle his hair little by little, and you get the extra dead hair here, as you can see. It has it is rounded in the edges, so it won't hurt his skin. Okay, you could use the other side, the smaller one, when the hair is already detangled, so it won't hurt him. Okay, and the more open one for the tangled hair. Perfect. Okay, you have to be careful, but you can do it perfectly with this one. Okay. And the grooming side is more soft. It's just like on the surface. So you can also use it. And I want to show you how you get hair everywhere. So the hair is not in your furniture, but in the comb. That's great. Okay, let's bring the next one. Choco. Help him with his hair. Just nicely detangle him. Okay. That's great. Okay. As you can see, all of the combs, all of the different type of combs will be useful in different kind of hair. Okay. And you get the extra hair here. This is dead hair or hair that it's about to fall. You get it first here. Okay. And now we're gonna test it with a pug. So this is Peggy, and she has a lot of loose hair. We're going to use the closer one because her hair is more straight. Okay. Okay, perfect, Peggy. You see, the hair is here. You can use the grooming side also. And we get all the hair here. I think she feels like in a spa. As you can see, the dogs are, well, they don't feel any, they don't hurt anything. And you're getting all the hair off the dog, off your furniture, off your house, and in the trash can. Okay. Perfect. So this is great to be able to use this comb with your pets. You get all the extra hair, the loose hair, and put it in the trash, not in your furniture. Thank you.